So recently I have been getting a recommendation from YouTube, like ad. At this point it's like a bombardment. So what that ad says, it's basically a fake podcast in which the lady is asking which printer should she buy, and she is a beginner, and that guy is recommending any cube printer. It's not a any cube, remember, or any cobra, it's any cube. And if you see that printer, it's full on plastic. At least this has metal in it. So see, that's the worst advice you can get. That guy, I am sure, doesn't know anything about 3D printing. 3D printing is a CNC machine. CNC machine. It's not a full on CNC, but it's a closest thing to a CNC. It has three axes: Z, X, Y. So you can imagine the axes need to be as rigid as possible, the frame. So when the system is moving around, when the screws are moving around, when the head is moving around, the whole frame does not shake or vibrate, because then it will downgrade your print quality. So for that purpose, you should go for only name brand 3D printers. For example, I have a Creality. Although it's a good brand, but still here and there I have been encountering problems and I have been troubleshooting. So one might ask, then what 3D printer should they get? My recommendation, go for Bamboo Lab 3D printers. Now why Bamboo Labs 3D printer? See, this printer costed 22,000 when bought new 2 years or 1 year ago, and this doesn't come with Ethernet. This is under V3AC. To get Ethernet capable, I had to take its USB, remove its control panel, and plug it into a laptop running Linux, and this only runs Clipper, so that the printer can be connected into local area network. But if you go for printers like Bamboo Lab printers, like the cheapest one I think is Bamboo A1 Mini, that cost 18,000. That 3D printers won't require you to do all this. They already come with smart things enabled. They have Ethernet, they have camera, they have sensors. That all things now saves you a lot of problem. Remember, you are buying a product, you're not buying someone else's project. If you go for cheaper unknown name brand printers, that's a product. That's a project, not a product. So yeah, this was my video. Don't go for unknown brands. Try to go for a brand known good. If you can't find Bamboo in your place, try websites like Robo or Woo3D. If you can't find them at all, go for Creality, because again, the bigger and more established brand it is, the more refined their product it is. And especially when it comes to 3D printer, don't try to go for new brand thinking that they are costing cheap, maybe they will be good. These are complicated machine, and you should only buy from known good brands, or else build it yourself from the scratch, but that will require you learning a whole new language, G code, and how the mechanics work, because this is a complex piece of machinery. This was my video, guys. Tell me, how do you like the video, or how is your opinion on the printers? Do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you and next time.